Air pollution is a major issue, especially in urban areas, where various sources of contaminants, such as car exhaust fumes and industrial emissions, can lead to poor air quality. To combat this problem, Aerus, a Texas-based company, has developed an innovative air scrubber that aims to purify the air we breathe. The air scrubber, known as ActivePure, is a device that uses advanced technology to eliminate contaminants from the air. It works by drawing in air from the environment and then passing it through a series of filters and purification stages. The air scrubber by Aerus is also designed to improve indoor air quality by removing pollutants, allergens, and other harmful particles from the air. The device uses a combination of technologies, including HEPA filtration and ActivePure technology, to capture and destroy airborne contaminants. Spring allergies can be caused by a variety of allergens, including pollen, dust, and mold spores. The air scrubber by Aerus is designed to capture these allergies and remove them from the air, reducing the likelihood of allergic reactions. The HEPA filter in the air scrubber can capture particles as small as 0.3 microns, which includes many common allergens. The air scrubber by Aerus may also be effective in reducing the spread of the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which causes COVID-19. The device uses ActivePure technology, which is designed to destroy harmful pathogens, including viruses, bacteria, and fungi. ActivePure technology works by producing a low level of ozone and hydrogen peroxide, which react with contaminants in the air to destroy them. The first stage involves a pre-filter that removes larger particles, such as dust and pollen, from the air. After passing through the pre-filter, the air is exposed to ActivePure technology, which uses a combination of UVC light and a proprietary photocatalyst to destroy bacteria, viruses, and other harmful contaminants in the air. The UVC light is capable of killing up to 99.9% of airborne pathogens, while the photocatalyst works to break down pollutants and neutralize odors. Once the air has been purified by the ActivePure technology, it is passed through a HEPA filter, which removes any remaining particulates and contaminants from the air. The result is air that is free from harmful pollutants and allergens, making it safe and healthy to breathe. The ActivePure air scrubber is not only effective at purifying the air, but it is also easy to use and maintain. The device is designed to be user-friendly, with simple controls that allow users to adjust the fan speed and set a timer. It also has a filter replacement indicator, which makes it easy to know when it's time to replace the filters. The air scrubber is suitable for use in a range of environments, including homes, offices, and commercial spaces. It is particularly useful in areas where there is a high level of air pollution or where individuals are prone to respiratory problems, such as asthma. However, it's important to note that the effectiveness of the air scrubber in combating the SARS-CoV-2 virus has not been specifically tested or validated. While ActivePure technology has been shown to be effective against other viruses and bacteria in laboratory settings, more research is needed to determine its effectiveness against COVID-19 in real-world settings. The air scrubber by Aerus can be effective in combating spring allergies and may also have some potential to reduce the spread of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. However, it's important to use the device as part of a comprehensive approach to indoor air quality and to follow other recommended measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19, such as social distancing, wearing masks, and getting vaccinated. How is air scrubber by Aerus different from ionizers, UV lamps, and ozone machines? There are many indoor air quality options on the market, but none work like air scrubber by Aerus, nor kill viruses as well as air scrubber by Aerus. Ionizers reduce dust in the air and can kill some viruses. HEPA filters can catch some viruses, but smaller strains can still pass through. UV lamps. UV light kills viruses that come within a certain amount of inches from the lamp for a certain amount of seconds, so they cannot purify your whole home. Ozone generators. High levels of ozone kills viruses but is dangerous to humans and animals, so should only be used at times when humans and animals are not in the home. The air scrubber by Aerus utilizes 3 different technologies: ActivePure to kill viruses, plus ionization to prevent dust, and ozone, optional, to eliminate odors. How the air scrubber plus works: these particles used to scrub your home's air clean are created by reactions between water and oxygen molecules, wavelengths of UVC light, and a patented matrix coating. Instead of using a fan and filter system that sucks in dirty air and pushes clean air back into the room like a standard air purifier, the Air Scrubber Plus sends these ionized particles into a room to find and destroy dangerous airborne contaminants. The Air Scrubber Plus is a whole-house air purifier backed by science and used by NASA. It also reduces exposure to other bacterial and viral illnesses and decreases the number of contaminants that trigger allergy and asthma-related respiratory issues. The Air Scrubber Plus can also greatly reduce pet odors, protect your HVAC system, attack airborne toxins associated with nausea, chest pains, sinus problems, fatigue, coughing, dizziness, and headaches. While air purifiers have always been an important addition to any HVAC system, they're more important now than ever. With COVID being an airborne virus changing the way that we live our daily lives, it's important to keep our homes and businesses as safe as possible. ActivePure virus-killing technology has the following benefits. 1. Reduces exposure to viruses and bacteria and their effects upon your health and wellness. 2. Proven to kill over 90% of RNA viruses on contact by researchers at the University of Cincinnati. Also see the efficacy charts from Kansas State University study. RNA viruses include bird flu, swine flu, SARS, Ebola, MRSA, and the common cold. Note: the coronavirus, COVID-19, is also an RNA virus, but the efficacy of virus-killing products against this virus have not yet to be tested by anyone in the indoor air quality industry. 3. Effective against MRSA, E. coli, C. diff, and other illness-causing bacteria and viruses. 4. Reduction in sick days and the number of common cold and flu outbreaks. 5. Reduction in respiratory issues. Ionized negative ions have the following benefits. 1. Purify air, remove VOx, and significantly reduce dust particles and odor-causing bacteria without using ozone. 2. Protect against allergy and asthma-triggering contaminants and respiratory issues which may lead to health problems. 3. Improved productivity from healthier, cleaner air and surfaces. 4. Reduced dust collection on surfaces so you don't have to dust as often. Ozone, optional, has the following benefits. 1. Eliminates even the toughest odors from your home, including pet and cooking odors. In conclusion, the ActivePure Air Scrubber by Aerus is a highly effective device for purifying the air we breathe. Its advanced technology, easy-to-use design, and suitability for a range of environments make it an excellent choice for those looking to improve indoor air quality and promote a healthy living environment. Don't forget we do consultation. You can contact us with the info in the description and visit our website for more information.